So, meine Freunde, today we get again vegetable with eggs, garlic, jalapenos, chili as usual, and we have two different kinds of pasta. We have chicken meat, we get the eggs on top of that, and at the end we have blueberries and avocado. That's our meal for today. So the pancit is in the pot and we are just waiting 10 minutes. So the vegetables and the garlic is cutted very soon now in this machine. Yes, and the cutted vegetables, the onion, the garlic and so on, they are now in the pan and smuggling, getting a good taste. So, and after we have given a little bit of mustard and cooking cream, we have a very nice sauce already ready. So the other vegetable and the chicken is now in the other pan and just gets nicely warm. So, and the eggs over the chicken is already on the go, nearly ready. So, that is the one already on the plate. Now it comes the eggs for having it on the top, and the rest is coming now. So the pasta is ready and comes now to the table. So that is already good. Now comes the sauce, which is always the highlight of the day. Yeah, in the middle on the pasta. So this looks good. Bon appetit. And as a dessert we have the beets and the avocado. Now bon appetit, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, bye bye.